Reviewer in English 3, Quarter 2. We go to church every blank, which is the correct spelling for the word. Very good. Week. Which word follows the VCV pattern? Very good. Robot. I can blank the story before bedtime. Very good. A. Which word is read correctly using the VCV rule? The first vowel is long. Very good. Pilot. Which of the following is a VCCV word? Very good. Napkin. Which of the following is a high-frequency word used in most sentences? Very good. Duh. Which word is related to mathematics? Very good. B. What word is best used to describe a cold region like Baguio? Very good. Chile. Which is a describing word in the sentence, the kind boy helped his friend? Very good. Kind. Which pair of words are antonyms? Very good. Hot and cold. What is the possessive pronoun in this sentence? That pencil is hers. Very good. Hers. Which word shows the root word of happiness? Very good. Happy. Which word in the sentence replaces a person? She gave her book to me. Very good. She. Which word is spelled correctly? Very good. Jumped. Which of the following is a telling sentence? Very good. The sun sets in the west. Which word is correctly spelled and written legibly? Very good. Signs. What is the correct punctuation mark for an asking sentence? Very good. D. Which word is used to join two simple sentences? Very good. N. Which of the following words is a discourse marker for time order? Very good. First. Which of the following is a complete sentence? Very good. The dog barked loudly. What part of the sentence answers who or what? Very good. Subject. What kind of sentence is this? Please help your brother with his homework. Very good. Imperative. Which sentence uses correct punctuation and capitalization? Very good. We are going to Cebu. What are the two independent clauses in this compound sentence? I wanted to swim, but it started to rain. Very good. I wanted to swim and it started to rain. Which sentence shows an idea about the original theme? Very good. Bicol is famous for its spicy food. What is the problem in this story? Ben lost his toy at the park. He looked around and asked for help. Finally, he found it under the bench. Very good. Ben lost his toy. What is the solution to Ben's problem in the story above? Very good. He found his toy under a bench. Who is the main character in the story below? Anna found a kitten outside her house. She took care of it and gave it a home. Very good, Anna. What happened first in the story? Very good. Anna found the kitten. Where did the story happen? Very good. Outside Anna's house.